Hey guys, this is NASCAR reaction to the Xfinity race with 3 laps to go at Watkins Glen. Oh boy. Go Cindric. I'm not the biggest Cindric fan, but I would like to see him win. Cindric's probably gonna wreck Allgaier. It's the only way he could win. Two laps to go. Oh boy! Side by side! Oh!
He's got enough car to beat him.
Which one?
Cindric.
Thank God. Come on.
He really does, but
come on, Cindric.
He could do it clean too if he really tries.
The bump and run! Cindric takes the lead! Oh my God, they're gonna wreck. Come on, AJ!
Nope, fair play. He bumped him out, he bumped him back. Cindric bumped him.
Side by side for the white flag! Not sponsored by Credit One Bank.
Cindric just drove around him though. Fresh tires.
No, it's not presented by Credit One Bank. Shut up, Rick Allen. It's presented by Moneyline. Because it's a better bank than Credit One. Come on, Cindric, don't choke!
And his tire tracks.
Oh my God. Come on, Cindric, do not choke, bud. Do not choke. He's getting through turn 6. Coming through turn 7. Austin Cindric. First career Xfinity win, and it comes at Watkins Glen. Wow. Cindric wins. Peace soup. Bye. Get the 4 minutes. Come on. Come on. Peace soup. Bye.